model, 2013 Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 2.0 CDTI, 90 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof EU5 easy fix still runs needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 129503. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 90 bhp, Euro 5, transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine and gearbox and clutch are perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, wind-up windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.